there, kids! Welcome to the Luminers! Let's shine bright together!
Hello, hello, I'm Rainbow Ray. I shine and twinkle every day. Up in the sky I love to glow. The colors bright in a lovely row. Let's meet my colors one by one. We'll dance and sing and have some fun. Are you ready? Say let's go to the land of the friendly rainbow. Red is the color of apples sweet, strawberries, roses, and dancing feet. Wave your hands and stomp with me. Let's be red as bright can be and stomp to the beat. Orange is giggles, pumpkins,